Okay, we are done with font size. We are done with font size. Let's look at another thing. Um, Here you can include that shortcuts I talked about. Then the next thing we have on our list here, the next icon is underline. Let me remove all this formatting. Control A, then I come here and I click, I remove all the formatting. So the next thing I talk about is underline. Always select, highlight the text you want to effect the changes. So if I highlight the text now, then I talked about underline. I talked about underline. So underline is just what? Control U. So I click here. We have different ways of underlining text. That is one, but the one that is universally accepted is this one. This is the one I've been using. So I just select here, I click here, then I click here. Underline. That is how to underline text. That is what? How to underline is Control U. If you come here, you see Control U. It is the same icon you use to activate a command, and it is the same icon you use to deactivate a command. So let's move to our shortcuts document. We say Control what? Control U. Control plus Control plus U. Control plus U is equal to what? Underline. 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 I don't want anybody to cram anything. It's as simple as ABC. So each time I click on my control key, I come here, I just come here. If I'm using my keyboard, I use Control U. Control U. That is that for keyboard. Or I select it, I can remove the underline. I come back, I put the underline. So that is basically how to underline text. Then the next icon we have here is strike through. We have been I've not typed a document before over the many years I've been in the ICT world. Then I cross something like this. It's only if you are doing maybe websites, you do website and you are about telling somebody, okay, this is not the price again, or this is the new price. You can cross something like this, because how will you type a document and you print out the document and you are crossing something? So, but it's good, you know. So I forgot to show you some of the underlying stuff. So look at it here. Anyone you love using, if you might choose to use this one. This one is unique, very unique. So just toggle down here, you can see more underline color. If you want to change the color, if you want to change the underline color, click, just click, and it has changed the color. If that is what, that is formatting. We are doing what now? Formatting. What are we doing now? Formatting. We are doing formatting. So now we are on underline. So this is double strike through, or sorry, strike through, not double strike through. We will look at double strike through. This is strike through. And we have talked about underline, which is what? Control U. When we come back, we'll talk about uppercase, subscripts, and superscripts.